In previous videos, I've talked about the importance of doing keyword research when picking your video topics. So you've done your keyword research, you've filmed your videos, and you're ready to upload them to YouTube. But where do you need to put your keywords to make sure you get found in YouTube search results? Get ready to become a keyword master. No messing around, let's get straight into it as I've got a lot of information to give you. So there are three main areas where you need to include your keywords on YouTube, and these are your title, your description, and your tags. But we need to go a little bit deeper than that. So let's start with your title. YouTube reads everything like a book, so it reads from left to right, and it puts more importance on the words at the beginning than the words at the end. So how does this relate to your title? Well, you need to put your keywords in the exact same order that you did in your research at the beginning of your title. This is telling YouTube that these are the words that are most related to your video. A lot of businesses get this the wrong way around, and I'll give you a couple of examples. The first is for a company promo. So normally they start out with the company name and then a few keywords relating to the business, or even worse, just the words company overview. YouTube will look at this and assume that your company name are the most important words related to the video, meaning that unless people are actually searching for your company name on YouTube, you're not likely to come up. So what you want to do is flip it around, like I did for the company Coachman, who are a car detailing company based in Maidstone. So by doing a bit of keyword research, I found a gap in the search results for the words car detailing Maidstone. And what I mean by this is there was a fair amount of search volume, not many videos using these keywords, and those videos weren't very well optimized. So I titled the video Exquisite Car Detailing in Maidstone, Kent. Welcome to Coachman. By doing this and placing the keywords in the right places in the description and the tags, like I'm going to show you how to do in a minute, I have got this video to the top of YouTube search results for car detailing in Maidstone. The second example is if you have a series of videos. Most channels will have the series name and episode number at the beginning of the title, when really it should be a set of targeted keywords. Now, you might be saying, I can't think of keywords for every single episode. Well, I've got a tip for you. Take a key piece of information or a question that you asked in the video and do a bit of keyword research and use one of those as the beginning of your title. Then you can follow up with the series name and the episode number as the second part of your title. Bonus tip, you have 100 characters for your title on YouTube, so try to use them. The first part should be really keyword rich with your researched keywords. The second part you can use to build intrigue and just try and get people to click on your video. Onto the description. Again, YouTube put more importance on the words at the beginning of your description. This means that you want to try and include your keywords as naturally as possible at the beginning of your description, really within the first 2 lines. And again, you need to put these keywords in the same exact order as you did in your title. So to use Coachman as an example again, the first couple of lines of their description reads, Welcome to Coachman. We offer exquisite car detailing in Maidstone, Kent. Our services include polishing, ceramic and polymer coatings, and paint protection film. Don't just copy your title for the first part of your description. This is lazy and it's not going to benefit your viewer. Instead, try and naturally work your keywords in to give your viewer an idea of what your video is about. Bonus tip, try and use your keywords multiple times in your description. This really strengthens the relationship between the keywords and the video. Lastly, we're going to talk about tags. Your viewers will never see your tags, but they are crucial in telling YouTube the subject of your video. Can you guess what I'm going to say next? Include your targeted keywords in the exact same order as your title and description as your very first tag. I think you know the reason for this by now. For the rest of the keywords, add words that are related to your video, such as your location, other topics covered in your video, or other words that have the same meaning as your keywords. You have 500 characters for your tags, so try and use as many as possible. Now, this doesn't mean using tags that are not related to your video, as this will negatively affect your search rankings. Just try and think of what words your viewers will use when they're trying to find your video. If you need some suggestions for keywords, then TubeBuddy has a great tool for this. Bonus tip: include multiple incorrect spellings of your main keywords in your tags. This will mean you'll be found by people who are not so great at spelling or typing. To wrap up, you want to use your researched keywords in the exact same order in your title, your description, and your tags. YouTube reads everything from left to right, putting more importance at the beginning than at the end. So you want to make sure all your keywords always appear at the beginning of each of these sections. Do you have any of your own keyword tips? Make sure you leave them in the comments below. If you're now going to go through your title, description and tags and update them with your new keywords, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And as always, subscribe and ring the bell to catch my weekly videos all about boosting your business through video marketing on YouTube.